you're driving in the rain or any other extreme weather. They have great durability. It's also equipped with advanced 2.4G wireless and dual antennas to ensure stable interference-free signal up to 500 feet. It also has a 30-second auto sleep after the display will power off, so it saves energy, so you don't have to worry about draining your battery. One of my favorite features is the DVR loop recording. It supports 4-channel simultaneous loop recording, so you can save and play it back. It'll default on loop recording, and it will auto store and overwrite the oldest footage. The footage is storable and playable directly on the screen. This will be a great addition to any RV or truck or a semi-trailer or even a van, whatever you see fit. This is going to be a great addition for your daily life involving these items. Or it can also be a great gift for anyone in your family as well.